I just went to Target to purchase some stuff for my room. I'm doing a room makeover. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marla. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be redoing my room today, you guys. My room has been looking, I feel like every year I work in my room because I'm never satisfied. Am I the only one that feel like every year you have to like add something to your room? I'm that person. Well, today I'm not gonna spend too much money on this room makeover. I'm gonna use everything that I have in my room so far. I'm just gonna redecorate it in a way that's much nicer. I went to Target earlier, as you guys can see. I purchased a few items. I didn't find everything at Target. I had to order some stuff online. I was so mad, you guys. I went to get the circle mirror to put on top of my vanity because I don't like this mirror anymore. My room is kind of dirty right now, you guys. I was cleaning it, but I'm not done, so don't judge me. It will be clean. I think that's like part 1 of the room makeover because I didn't save money, so I won't be able to show you guys the final product today, but I'll definitely show you guys progress, how I'm gonna do my bed, how I'm gonna set this up. This should be done today, but my desk and stuff are coming in tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from Target. I like to say Target. I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got at Walmart. This is the Target bag, and I also went to Walmart and bought something because I couldn't find it in my Target. Like I said, I love to say Target. I don't know why, but I got this really nice fake plant. I didn't want to purchase any like real plant yet because I feel like I would probably kill it. This is gonna go on top of my desk. I know it doesn't make sense because I have a greenery background, but I really love green, you guys. I really love, not the color green, but I just like plants and stuff like that. When I have my own crib, I'll definitely purchase some real plants. So it's really cute, you guys. And I also like the vase. It came with the vase and it was only $5. And I also got some makeup wipes because lately I've been sleeping in my makeup because I'm too lazy to go up and wash my face. I think this is some cleansing wipe. It's not even makeup wipe. And I also got some mask. I know this is not like for the bedroom, but you know, it's good to relax sometimes. A daily facial cleanser because I'm trying to improve my skincare. And when I went to Walmart, I got 2 things at Walmart. Oh yes, I'm excited about this order. I purchased a mirror, you guys, because when I'm filming I can't really see myself. I have to use my iPad, so this is gonna be really helpful. It's really cute, you guys. I really love the color. It's kind of like girly, and it was only like $6 at Walmart, so go cop you one before they're all out of it. I purchased a bed protector just in case I'm drinking something. I don't want it to go through the bed and stuff like that. So that's my first time actually using this. I didn't even know this thing was a thing. Does that make sense? I didn't even know it was a thing until like one of my friends brought it up to me, and I was like, oh, maybe I should get it. So I purchased it. Not gonna put it in my bed tonight. I'm gonna wait until everything come onto the nail so that I can show it to you guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. This lighting is so bright, it's blinding me. So I'm gonna just go up, you guys. I'm gonna remove everything from here. So on top of my bed, I want some type of shelving unit so I can put some nice decoration stuff. I'll probably do a bunch of DIY to fill it up, because when I'm filming, I hate the fact that you guys can see the brick because I purchased a whole box, you guys, but it was like $100, so I didn't want to purchase some more. So I'm just gonna take half of this, put it down there, remove this mirror. Probably gonna give the mirror away. I don't know yet, but yeah, let's go. So I just removed all of them, you guys. So I'm gonna remove my mirror and I'm gonna place them right here because I want everything to be covered. You're definitely gonna need a wall staple gun. I think that's what it's called. It's so easy to use, but right now it's playing games with me. You just drop the stuff inside. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm gonna remove the mirror first. I'll fix this part in a minute. Put this somewhere so it doesn't break on me.
2,000 years later.
So this is how it's looking like, you guys. I put it all the way up to the ceiling, all the way to the floor. I'll definitely, the floor is dirty, you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys. I know there's stuff everywhere, but it will be clean tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna put my vanity here with a circle mirror in the middle and with some decoration on top of my table, because I don't really do makeup anymore. I just want it to look cute where I can sit, edit, or do my Bible reading and everything. And I know it looks off with this here. Trust the process. If you guys have any ideas how I can cover these two doors, please let me know in the description below. And come back tomorrow for part 2. I don't know what part 2 is consist of, but we're gonna have something here, we're gonna have something here, and we're definitely gonna do laundry tomorrow. That's on the list. So yeah, thank you so much. Let me flip myself so you guys can see me. So yeah, you guys, as you guys can see, I did a good portion. I know it looks weird, but trust me, it will come together nicely. So yeah, that's it for part 1 of the room makeover, you guys, because I don't have everything. I just wanted to do a little episode from here and there. Yeah, we don't always have to have everything together when we're doing a makeover. That's the moral of the story. And I'm also broke, so I wanted to do something that's in budget. And oh, my arms. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I put this wall together. I know it looks off, like I said, without extra grass over there, but it's okay. Everything will come out nicely, I promise. I'm gonna make my purchase tomorrow, so come back tomorrow for part 2 of this room makeover. It's gonna come nicely, I promise you guys that. My arms are hurting, and if you guys are wondering, I am filming with the iPhone 11. If you guys want a video or a review on the iPhone 11, also let me know in the comment below. The camera is great, but let me know if you guys want what's in my iPhone and also a review. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.